270 steering wheel connection PC tutorial. One is the pedal interface, and the other is the host handle guidance interface. Remove the steering wheel pedal and insert the pedal USB plug into the USB pedal interface under the steering wheel gear lever. Afterwards, fix our steering wheel to the edge of the table with a fixture. The fixture is stuck at the edge of the table. Rotate the upper square of the steering wheel clockwise and the lower fixture will simultaneously tighten and clamp onto the edge of the table. Remove the USB cable from the steering wheel itself. Insert into the USB port of the computer. The steering wheel indicator light is green by default. Long press PS to switch to red light steering wheel mode. Download the steering wheel driver, including 3 files. Open the file starting with BM for installation. Click Next to automatically install successfully. Afterwards, open the file starting with Xbox 360 and install it according to your system version. If you are using a 32-bit system, open the 32-bit driver for installation and install the 64-bit driver file. If my computer is a 64-bit system here, I will install 64-bit drivers. If the system prompts that the software has already been installed, there is no need to install the driver. Once the driver installation is complete, you can test the steering wheel. Press and hold Win plus R on the keyboard, and the run window will pop up in the bottom left corner of the computer. Enter DOYO CPL in the window and select Confirm. Pop up the USB game controller window, which will display the device. Select Attributes. Pop up the steering wheel test interface and you can start testing now. Manipulate the steering wheel, and this interface will respond accordingly to indicate that the device is connected properly. After testing, you can control the game. (270 steering wheel connection PS for tutorial). 270 steering wheel connection PS for tutorial. Open the PS4 main interface and enter the PS4 settings. Select peripheral devices. Select Bluetooth, find the PS4 controller device, and cut off the controller Bluetooth. Remove the micro-B interface cable and insert it into the micro-B interface of the controller. Insert the other end of the micro-B cable into the handle guide interface under the steering wheel. Remove the USB cable from the base. Insert the USB cable of the base into the PS4 hoist. After the indicator light on the handle lights up, press the PS button on the handle to successfully guide it. Afterwards, you can use the steering wheel to control the PS4 console. 270 steering wheel connection switch tutorial. 270 steering wheel connection switch tutorial. Select controller and sensor. Open the wired connection of the Pro controller. Remove the USB cable from the steering wheel base. Insert the steering wheel base USB into the switch base. Afterwards, you can use the steering wheel to control the Switch game console. .270 steering wheel connected Xbox Series tutorial. Coding 270 steering wheel connected to Xbox Series tutorial. Remove the original Xbox Series controller. Open the back cover of the handle and remove the battery. Afterwards, remove the Type-C cable from the steering wheel and insert it into the Type-C interface of the joystick. Insert the other end of the USB plug into the USB host handle. Guide interface below the steering wheel gear lever. Insert the steering wheel base cable into the USB port of the Xbox Series host. The handle indicator light is on. After the steering wheel indicator light flashes, keep the purple light on. This indicates that it has successfully connected to the Xbox console and can be controlled and used.